Yes, students. Now let us learn complex permanent tissue. In in complex tissue, more than one type of cells work together as a single unit. These cells consist of thick wall or thin wall, living or non-living cells. In dead cells, protoplasm is absent and the cell wall is lignified and becomes thick. Complex tissues are classified into two types, namely xylem and phloem, which helps in the conduction of water and food materials. Now, xylem. The xylem comprises of four types of cells. They are tracheids, vessel elements, parenchyma, and fibers. Tracheids. These are dead elongated cells with tapering ends and have larger cavities called lumens. Their ends are overlapping with edges tracheids. The walls have pits. Now let us see the functions of xylem. Students, water can pass through the empty lumens and from tracheids to tracheids through pits in the wall. They give mechanical support to the plants due to lignified walls. These are long tube-like structure formed by the fusion of several cells called vessel elements arranged end to end in an arrow. In the beginning, these elements are arranged in rows. Later, on these fuse to form vessels. Vessel is more or less circular in cross section. Cell wall is hard and lignified with different types of localized thickenings. Depending upon the types of thickenings, they are classified into annular, spiral, reticulate, etc. Vessel is present in angiosperms and is considered as an advanced character. Vessel is present in angiosperms and is considered as an advanced character. Protoxylem. The first formed xylem vessel with smaller cavities and annular or spinal thickenings are protoplasm vessels. Now, metaplasm or metaxylem. The later formed xylem vessels with wider cavities and reticulate. Scleriforms or pitted thickenings are known as metaxylem vessels. Functions. Conduction of water provides mechanical support to the plants. Xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma. Parenchymatous cells present in the xylem are called xylem parenchyma. They are living, thin-walled and abundant in protoplasm. Functions. Storage of food, conduction of water, provides mechanical support. Xylem fibers are wood fibers. Sclerenchymatous fibers present in the xylem are called xylem fibers. They are found mainly in woody plants. They are dead and their cell wall is thick due to the lignification. Students, xylem fibers are wood fibers functions. Mainly provides mechanical support. Now, phloem. Phloem consists of thin wall elements which are responsible for the conduction of food materials from the leaves to the different parts of the plant body. It comprises of four types of cells. They are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Students, in gymnosperms and pteridophytes, the phloem consists of sieve tubes and phloem parenchyma. In monocots, it consists of sieve tubes and companion cells. Now, let us focus on discussion of sieve tubes. Sieve tubes. These are long tube-like structure composed of thin-walled living cells without nuclei. Each cell is called sieve tube elements. The cytoplasm is conformed to a thin peripheral layers. The adjoining end walls of neighboring sieve elements from a sieve plate through which solution flows from one cell to the another. They are found in angiosperms, gymnosperms, and pteridophytes. Functions: conduction of food materials from leaves to the other parts of the plant. Companion cells. These are elongated, asymmetrical, and specialized parenchymatous cells living adjacent to the sieve tubes. Both are connected by simple pits. These cells are living and filled with dense protoplasm and an elongated nucleus. Vacuoles are also present in these cells. They are found in angiosperms but are absent in gymnosperms and pteridophytes. Functions of companion cells. Conduction of food. Phloem parenchyma. The phloem parenchyma tissues, the parenchymatous cells found in the phloem from the phloem parenchyma. These are vertically elongated cells with granulated protoplasm, vacuoles, and nucleus. They are found in dicotyledons, pteridophytes, and gymnosperms. It is absent in monocots. Functions: translocation of sugar and diffusible proteins, storage of protein substances, transport of food substances from the sieve tubes to the medullary rays or plate of parenchyma extends between pith and cortex across the vesicular region and xylem parenchyma. Phloem fibers. Students, it consists of elongated cells with interlocking ends. Sclematous fibers found in phloem from the phloem fibers. Sclerenchymatous fibers are found in phloem from the phloem fibers. The cell walls are lignified and pitted. They are found in secondary phloem of angiosperms but are absent in pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Students, functions of phloem fibers. Translocation of minerals, provide mechanical support. Is it clear to you, students? Thank you for watching the video. Bye, students.